Regional Horticultural Fair 2017. Indian Institute of Horticultural Research is a premier research institute of Indian Council of Agricultural Research of Department of Agricultural Research and Education under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. ICAR IIHR was established in the year 1967 at IARI, New Delhi, and shifted to Bengaluru in 1968. Presently, the institute has completed its 50 years of contribution for holistic development of Indian horticulture sector. It has developed and spread many varieties and hybrids, production techniques, integrated water nutrient, pest and disease management technologies in different fruits, vegetables, ornamental, medicinal and aromatic crops, and mushroom with an emphasis on higher productivity, quality, saving of resources and protection of our soil and environment. IIHR has made tremendous impact on the growth of horticulture subsector in the country by contributing to the development of trait-specific varieties, generation of improved crop production technologies, mushroom production, post-harvest technologies and value addition, reaching the unreached through knowledge-sharing mechanism and capacity building of stakeholders. The Institute has so far released 29 varieties in fruits, 113 in vegetables, and 94 varieties in flower crops, which have impacted production scenarios significantly. Therefore, the Institute feels proud to celebrate its Golden Jubilee year with multiple programs for promotion of research, education, extension, and development of horticulture sector in the country. As a part of its Golden Jubilee celebration, ICAR IIHR has organized the Regional Horticultural Fair 2017 for 5 days from 15 to 19 January 2017. The Institute has established demonstration plots of various technologies, particularly on latest released varieties and hybrids of fruit, vegetable and ornamental crops. The fair was organized for sharing of knowledge on innovative horticultural technologies. First 3 days of the fair had mega exhibition of various organizations of Indian horticulture industry, followed by visits of farmers of MGMG villages, IIHR adopted villages and others from different southern states of the country on last 2 days. The 5-day fair was inaugurated by the Honorable Secretary, DARE and Director General, ICAR, Dr. Trilochan Mohapatra on 15 January 2017. He also inaugurated the Golden Jubilee Park, Orchidarium, exhibition and demonstration plots wherein IIHR technologies were extensively demonstrated.
In the Golden Jubilee year of 2016-17, we have planned series of functions. One of it is to reach the farmers. That some of the technologies that we have evolved in this particular institute in the past 50 years have made much headway and changed the economic scenario in the country.
While inaugurating the Regional Horticultural Fair 2017, Dr. Trilochan Mohapatra emphasized that these kind of fairs are highly useful for mutual learning between various stakeholders and creating the awareness on agricultural innovations of various institutions.
और इस तरह के कार्यक्रम विभिन्न संस्थान में होता है, हर साल होता है। किसान के साथ जुड़ना ये भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान परिषद के एक मुख्य उद्देश्य भी है कि जो भी कार्यक्रम हम करते हैं संस्थान में, ये सारे कार्यक्रम के हिस्सा किसान बनना चाहिए। और ये उदाहरण है कि आज किसान भाई बहन यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, कार्यक्रम के हिस्सा बने हैं और हमारे साथ जोड़ के एकजुट होकर हम लोग एक दूसरे से सीखना चाहते हैं।
He urged the farmers and developmental departments to strengthen the linkage between research institutions and farmer producers organizations for marketing, processing and value addition for horticulture produce, which also helps farmers for fetching the remunerative market and price for their produce.
10,500 से ज़्यादा गांव में हमारे वैज्ञानिक भाई गए हैं, 3.5 लाख से ज़्यादा किसानों के साथ मिले हैं, बात किए हैं, उनका समस्या समझने के लिए कोशिश किए हैं और उसका समाधान देने के लिए प्रयास भी किए हैं।
He also suggested research institutes and state development departments to provide such linkage through MOU for promotion of innovations of research institutes. Sri Prabhash Chandra Ray, Horticultural Commissioner, Department of Horticulture, Government of Karnataka, Dr. J.K. Jena, Deputy Director General Fisheries, Dr. S. Bhaskar, Assistant Director General of ICAR, Dr. K. Narayana Gowda, former Vice Chancellor of UAS Bangalore, Directors of ICAR institutes located at Bangalore and representatives of SAUs in Karnataka participated in the inauguration program.
Production of horticultural produce has reached up to 173 lakh metric ton. So production, because of the very good support by the various agriculture universities, UHS Bagalkot and IHHR and others, the production has picked up very well. We are very happy to see many varieties have been developed which gives good production, good productivity. Not only good productivity, there are like several varieties have been done which have got disease resistance.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ತಳಿಗಳು ಖಂಡಿತ ಯಥಾವತ್ತಾಗಿ ರೈತರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಆದರೆ ಈ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದ್ವಿಗುಣಗೊಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡುಗೆಗೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
The Regional Horticulture Fair 2017 of ICAR IIHR was sponsored by Directorate of Extension, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, New Delhi, and co-sponsored by ICAR, various developmental departments such as Department of Horticulture, Government of Karnataka, Government of Telangana, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Government of Tamil Nadu, Government of Puducherry, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, Regional Office Bangalore, National Horticultural Board Gurgaon, Naveen Seed Growers Cooperative Society Raipur, Mango Development and Marketing Corporation Limited of Government of Karnataka, and Mission on Integrated Development of Horticulture, New Delhi. Technologies of the IIHR along with various innovations of different ICAR institutes, state agricultural universities, Krishi Vigyan Kendras, various state development departments, NGOs and representatives from corporate sector and private industries were displayed in more than 120 exhibition stalls during the Regional Horticulture Fair 2017.
इस रीजनल एग्रीकल्चर हॉर्टिकल्चर फेयर में भारत सरकार कृषि और किसान कल्याण मंत्रालय ने अपना एक स्टॉल भी लगाया है, जिसमें कृषि मंत्रालय की विभिन्न स्कीमों के बारे में बताया गया है, जैसे प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना, प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, सॉयल हेल्थ कार्ड, ई-नाम, MIDH, इनके बारे में किसानों को बताया जा रहा है, जिससे वे अधिक से अधिक लाभान्वित हो सके।
On the second day of program, that is on 16 January 2017, Shri K.R. Ramesh Kumar, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Karnataka, visited Regional Horticultural Fair 2017 and also interacted with scientists of the institute and farmers from different parts of Karnataka. During the visit, he appreciated the technologies demonstrated and displayed and lauded the efforts of IIHR to disseminate the technologies to the benefit of farmers. Different technical sessions on various themes were organized on 15th, 16th and 17th January 2017 for the benefit of farmers participated in the fair. Some of the sessions include horticulture for rural and urban prosperity, challenges in production of mango and other fruit crops, challenges in production of vegetables and ornamental crops, challenges and opportunities in production of medicinal aromatic plants and mushroom, post-harvest processing and value addition in horticultural crops, and challenges and opportunities in peri-urban horticulture, during which the questions about cultivation and marketing aspects of horticultural crops raised by the farmers were addressed by the scientists of the institute. Many publications were brought out as part of the fair for the benefit of farmers and other stakeholders of the fair, and these publications were distributed to the farmers of different states. On 17 January 2017, Shri Krishna Baire Gowda, Honorable Agricultural Minister, Government of Karnataka and Honorable MLA of Yelahanka Constituency, Shri S.R. Vishwanath, visited Regional Horticultural Fair 2017. Both the dignitaries participated in the special technical session organized on the theme Horticulture for Rural and Urban Prosperity during the third day of the fair. While addressing the participants, Shri Krishna Baire Gowda emphasized that there is an urgent need for intensive extension efforts to disseminate the low-cost and cost-effective horticultural production technologies.
ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ, ಹೊಸ ತಳಿಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕಾ ಮೇಳವನ್ನ ಈ ವರ್ಷ IIHR ಹೆಸರುಘಟ್ಟದವರು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಸಮೀಪ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ IIHR ನವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ರೈತರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ.
He also suggested that the research institutes and the development departments should have pragmatic collaboration to facilitate quick reach of research findings for the benefit of farmers. Shri S.R. Vishwanath, while appreciating the sincere efforts of IIHR to develop and disseminate the technologies to the farmers of the state and other states of the country, he urged that such events should be held every year so that the farmers will get benefit in learning and adopting latest horticultural innovations of various institutes.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಏನು ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡೋರೆ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗೈತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಹುಶಃ ಈ ಒಂದು ಏನೊಂದು ಕೃಷಿ ಮೇಳ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ರೈತರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಬರೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
On last 2 days, that is on 18th and 19th January 2017, more than 5,000 farmers from different Mera Gaon Mera Gaurav program of Government of India participated in the fair. Farmers of various districts were mobilized by Watershed Development and Horticulture Department of Karnataka, and many farmers of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra also visited the demonstration plots of Regional Horticultural Fair 2017.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
அதை இங்கே வந்து பார்த்ததில் எங்களுக்கு பார்த்ததில் எங்களுக்கு உபயோகமான தகவல் என்னென்னா, ட்ரிப் இரிகேஷனில் ரொம்ப தகவலாக இருக்குது. ப்ளஸ் இந்த மூடாக்கு விவசாயம் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான தகவலாக இருக்குது. இதெல்லாம் நான் எங்கள் ஊரில் போய் சொல்லி சில விவசாயத்தில் சில முன்னேற்றமான ஏற்பாடுகள் செய்ய முடியும்.
ఇవన్నీ చూసిపోయి నేర్చుకుందామని చూస్తున్నవన్నీ కూడా తోట పెట్టి మామిడి తోట, వంకాయ, టమాటా పెట్టాలని నేను చూస్తున్నా అవన్నీ చూసి.
ഇവിടുത്തെ സ്റ്റാളുകളെ കണ്ട് പുതിയ വിത്തുകളും പുതിയ ടെക്നോളജികളെല്ലാം ഞങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കി. പച്ചക്കറി കൃഷി വളരെ നന്നായി ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് കണ്ട് വളരെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു. ഞങ്ങളിതൊക്കെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ കേരളത്തിലും ഈ കൃഷി രീതികളൊക്കെ കണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാകാത്ത പുതിയ രീതികളൊക്കെ കണ്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കി കൂടുതൽ കൃഷിയിൽ ഒന്നും കൂടി കൃഷി ചെയ്യുന്നതിനും കൃഷി കുറച്ചുകൂടി വിജയപ്രദമാക്കുന്നതിനാണ് ഞങ്ങളിവിടെ എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്.
A total of more than 20,000 farmers, along with many entrepreneurs, farm youth, scientists, researchers, students, representatives of horticulture industry and corporate companies and all other stakeholders from Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Puducherry, Maharashtra and Goa also participated in the fair during all 5 days. Many farmers purchased seeds, planting materials, machineries, products, publications of ICAR, IIHR and from all the stalls of the fair in large quantity. The Regional Horticultural Fair 2017 was very effective and highly useful program for transfer of technologies of IIHR and other ICAR institutes. The program was a very successful event and benefited a large number of farmers and also all those interested to learn about horticulture.